Hi, this is Joe Gasparino, the owner of Odiz Safety. Just want to take you through our patented sliding Ufit lathe guard. So some of the features, we have adjustable heights, so all four legs can be adjusted upward based on where you mount this on the machine. We also have adjustable widths, so you can get the width to any desired length there. With the design, we can also extend this out for more guard travel. There's a customization option there. Each side has heavy-duty railing with a rod and stoppers on both. Heavy-duty rollers, which prevents sag. And this guard in itself, we include the lifting hook for install, which is a heavy duty. This guard can adjust in length here by a series of bolts, so you can extend the guard out farther if you wish. There is also the option to adjust the front. You can rotate the handle in any direction, vertical or horizontal. This can be adjusted, or even if you want it smaller, you can remove that handle and just put it on the main panel here. It has Lexan shield, so you can see the workpiece, and it's extremely easy gliding. So get out of the way of your handles. You can have it so it will clear your handles, extend it out, and then it will slide back over the chuck. So if you're looking for a well-built lathe guard that's going to take up to, a good industrial use, heavy duty steel, and going to be around, contact us.